loving poor people, helping needy people. There are many around us, my dear brothers. I just want to repeat that. At least once a week, let's make an intention. That's at least minimum. Let's make an intention to visit someone sick, a hospital, a relative, a non-relative, a neighbor that we've been living on the street for 10 years, but there's still people we don't know that we've never approached because we've just never needed them. It's easy to visit people and ask people how they are when you need them, or the relatives, or you've got some sort of motive, you've got some benefit or harm attached to them. But people who we don't need, and they're not related to us, and they're not really financially, they don't have a massive bradery, they're not financially strong, they're usually neglected. And there's plenty of those, not just around us, sitting here with us. There's people stressed here now. We don't even have to leave the masjid. There's people, the brother next to you might have a whole mountain of grief that he's hiding inside him. We should be sympathetic towards our brothers in our community. We find out someone's stressing, etc. So just like shrugging off, saying, you think too much. You can't cure depression with just that quote, you think too much, stop thinking. Depression is a lot more serious than that. I read somewhere once, I think someone was talking about depression. They said, when you're depressed, when people say, control your thoughts, stop thinking. When you're depressed, you don't control your thoughts control you. When you're depressed, you don't control your thoughts control you. So you can't control that. You can't help overthinking. So we have to be sympathetic and be more caring and empathetic, considerate to our brothers, and not just shrug these issues under the carpet. They'll just get bigger and bigger. So that's something we have to worry about, our brothers and sisters. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us tawfiq to do amal. Ameen bijahi nabiyil ameen sallallahu.